Can I invite Dr. Bhojraj up on stage, please, to tell us a little about Project Nirman?
Hello. Good evening, everybody, and thanks to all for coming here. Since 19 years after I sort of operated on Ketna and started treating her, we have been trying really very hard to set up a world-class spine injury rehab center in Mumbai. So much so that Ketna actually eventually did her PhD on that topic of setting up a spinal cord injury center in Mumbai. She really studied the problems we have in starting, what exactly is lacking, what we could do, and we have an entire document on that. Unfortunately, as you all know, a good rehab center needs a lot of space. You can't have it in a small room. It has to be a spread out setup with all the facilities, a good physio department, maybe some space for hydrotherapy. So to have it in this entire format and in the correct way, it was just not, it's still not been possible. It's been a dream. And we are sure that someday this dream is going to come true and realize. And we are working very hard towards it. Because that's really something which we need, and we realized it in the beginning through the treatment and rehab of Ketna, and that's how all this effort and initiative started. However, the search continues, but at Nina Foundation we have continued with our efforts to give expert rehab, medical and other treatment and advice to spinal cord injury patients to continue with their active lifestyles. Besides giving home-based rehab, we organized a very successful medical camp on 25th June in one of our SCI days, 25th June 2010. And Nina Foundation facilitated and sponsored travel and stay of 25 friends with SCI from Kashmir, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh and other way out places. And it was very successful. It was organized at the V School. And we had a team of doctors, and we spent the entire day where all aspects of the spinal cord rehab were taken care of, such as spine, plastic surgery, urology, psychological counseling, other ancillary care. Everything was taken care of, and it was excellent. So that was an effort to sort of do something in place of the rehab center which we were missing. It was a get-together of multi-speciality team to counsel, guide and treat them. This was an extremely fruitful, beneficial and successful project. Project Nirman, and we have just been introduced to the excellent team, is on similar lines. It's an OPD. Initially we have now a fully functional spine unit at the VN Desai Municipal Hospital, which is now in the 5th year. And we decided to, since we were part of the Nina Foundation and the Spine Foundation, we decided to start this Nirman OPD, which is like an outpatient clinic to take care of all these 3 or 4 aspects or maybe 5 aspects of spinal cord injury patients. And it was difficult to set it up at the VN Desai Hospital because it was a municipal hospital. We had to take permissions, and all these people from outside visiting was a problem. So we were very lucky to have the All India Women's Conference, Santa Cruz East. I think we are going to be introduced to the members and the founders and the presidents and the secretaries. I can see all of them here. They're soon going to come on the stage. And they came forward and they helped us. And it was like having in VN Desai, because it is just 2 buildings away from VN Desai. Number 2, it's on the ground floor. And with a few modifications, we could start this OPD on Wednesdays, because that's when it was planned. And we had all these wonderful doctors you saw here from all the branches of different specialities which are required for the spinal cord injury patients come under one roof. And that was one point where all the SCI patients could come on a particular day. And it's a very well organized effort because it's by appointment. There's no mad rush, and we know exactly who's going to come. So much so that once a female patient was going to come, and we knew in advance that she had a gynec problem and she was coming from far away. So we organized to have a gynecologist be present for that visit, that specific visit, and that thing was taken care of. So everything is very well organized. It's appointments, because it takes almost, I think, 45 minutes per patient for evaluation, counseling. We don't give more than 2 to 3 appointments, and it's an excellent effort. So this is a new beginning which the Nina Foundation is one of our first grassroots level activities for the care of the SCIs. And we'll soon meet the team here. So much so that the Nina Foundation has now been receiving calls from those who wish to pay and get the benefit of this treatment. This is totally a free service, there is no payment, and we are getting more and more inquiries. And you will soon, before you leave, make sure that you know more about it. So in case you want to send patients, how to get there, how to book an appointment, what all facilities are available. So I think before you leave today, you must think about this OPD. You must spread the word. Another very important effort was initiated in April. Is Bhuneshwari here? Makharia? Yeah. On 17th April, Ram Navami, we inaugurated the physiotherapy department at Parmarth Ashram, Rishikesh. Now we had some connection with the Parmarth Ashram, which is on the banks of Ganges. And it's an ashram, simple hospital, but we decided to start rehab facility there. Because that entire belt, Uttaranchal and Himachal and all that area, it's a hilly area with a lot of SCIs, and there is a great need for spinal cord injury rehab. Most of these patients go all the way to Delhi for surgery, and as you know, there is the big spinal cord injury center, which is headed by Dr. Chhabra, the International Spinal Cord Injury Center at Vasant Vihar, Delhi. So we wanted to have it, and we had some connections at the Parmarth Ashram. Bhuneshwari, who's probably here or will be coming, and some of the other trustees there. So we decided to start spine service there, and the physiotherapist from there, Shubhangi, came down, and she trained with us, and she spent some time with Dr. Jacob. She spent some time with Dr. Dhruv Mehta in spinal cord rehab. She met Ketna, and then she went back and she started developing the rehab center at Rishikesh. And on Ram Navami, 17th April, the physiotherapy department at Parmarth Ashram was inaugurated. And we also, the Spine Foundation team, we went there, we did a spine camp, we did some spine surgeries there as an initiative. And now this is going to be a regular affair. The next visit in the first week of September. And we are starting a service there, and the focus is going to be on spinal cord rehab, where the whole area is going to be wheelchair friendly. We are trying to set up ramps. And we are trying to have in-house treatment. We already have 4 or 5 patients from the hills who had spinal cord injury, who had nowhere to go. Dr. Chhabra's team from Delhi is also in a big way helping us to start up this initiative, because they are sending their physiotherapists, social workers, counselors, and a team of spine doctors along with us from Bombay. And it's going to be a good facility in the North Zone. So these are the 2 initiatives I wanted to talk about. Nirman in Mumbai, like an OPD procedure. And unfortunately, because we don't have space, we are trying to do this in Parmarth Ashram, where anyway we were going to go for doing some spine work. So we're going to get some experience in the in-house rehab at Parmarth. And we all hope to find some place in Mumbai. If any of you know a place which we can use up to start a rehab center in Mumbai or in the periphery of Mumbai, anywhere in New Bombay, we would be very happy to start it. So as our efforts to set up a world-class spine injury center like ISCI Delhi, Nina Foundation has been guiding in setting up SCI units in different parts of the country. I think these are the 2 things I wanted to mention as regards this team. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Bhojraj.